So the question here is, a particle is in linear simple harmonic motion between 2 points A and B, 10 centimeter apart. Take the direction from A to B as the positive direction and give the signs of velocity, acceleration and force on the particle when it is at the end of A. So in case of this particular situation, the velocity is 0, force and acceleration are in the positive direction. The next one is at the end of B. In this case, the velocity is again 0, acceleration and force are negative. At the midpoint of AB going towards A, velocity is negative, that is towards A, and its magnitude is maximum. Acceleration and force are 0. At 2 cm away from B going towards A, velocity is negative, acceleration and force are also negative. At 3 cm away from A going towards B, and the velocity is positive, acceleration and force are also positive. At 4 cm away from B going towards A, velocity, acceleration and force all are negative.